Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Today, some of the best treatments for your face because they reduce fine lines, improve the texture of your skin, and best of all, you can go makeup-free and feel good about it. How about that?
That's crazy to me. All right, Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director with the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa. Good to see you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me back.
We love it when you're here. I always feel like we get the best tips.
Okay.
So let's start. This a first thing that you really recommend is Erbium fractionated laser resurfacing.
Right. It's Pixel.
Okay.
And what that is actually laser resurfacing of the skin, but we leave little islands of skin normally in between, so the skin heals more quickly.
Okay.
This does have a little social downtime, so you do have to be aware of that. But the treatment effects can be fantastic.
Wow.
Because it really helps with acne scarring, with discoloration of the skin, with textural problems. It is great. And then a little bit at the end, I'll tell you about how we can even reduce the time for healing.
Okay, now one of the things you say about that one in particular, you said social downtime, but you have 5 days or so of like a redness or a brawny
and it gets
color.
a little brawny and actually looks almost like a screen imprint on your skin.
Like coffee grounds.
And coffee grounds because it gets darker. And then eventually it just starts to flake off.
And 1 to 3 treatments advised.
Right.
With the potential to couple with other treatments that we're going to talk about.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's talk about photofacial rejuvenation with intense pulse light. Is that the one I do for rosacea?
Exactly.
I love this one.
Okay, and this again, we recommend 3 treatments about a month apart.
Okay.
And we call it AFT, which is advanced fluorescent technology, which allows us to use more of the energy that we would normally use in that treatment.
Oh, look at the
to
difference.
apply it to the face. We use different filters depending on what the skin color is for people so that we can really use what's going to work for them without burning the skin or having any other problems. It gets rid of dark spots, redness from rosacea, evens out skin tone. Once you have 3 treatments, what you're going to see is a lot more of a luminous glow to the skin and fine texture of the skin so the pores aren't as visible. It really is fantastic. Builds collagen. This is what we recommend for everybody starting, in their early 20s to do this as a routine. Once you have a series of 3, then you can do 1 or 2 a year just to keep up. And it is great.
Well, I'm going to vouch for it because I literally said to Molly, 2-3 days ago, sitting next to her, I was like, what have you done with your skin recently? Because I can see the difference. I think on camera it glows too, but your skin looks truly different. You do it for your rosacea, but genuinely.
I get that real redness in my nose.
But the other
and my
effects
cheeks
are just fantastic because it really lets the skin look beautiful, luminous characteristics.
Yeah, and the ability for some people to go without makeup
Well,
is
it's
huge.
kind of big these days. All these celebrities are posting their photos without makeup. Alicia Keys is makeup-free forever now.
Yeah.
So there's a big trend toward doing that, and these treatments will really help. And for young people who may not have perfect skin, the next one, microneedling, fantastic.
This is the one you suggested when I asked you just during the commercial break.
Because microneedling is using a little motorized needle to several needles in a little tiny device that we pass across the surface of the skin in 3 different directions. We're forming little micro channels with the tiniest needles imaginable, again leaving normal skin intact around it so it heals very, very quickly. With this kind of thing, you're red for a few hours. By the next day, your skin doesn't look like you've had anything wrong. It doesn't look like you've had a treatment. It just looks better, and it continues to look better over several days.
Does microneedling hurt? It sounds like needles is what you hear.
We use an anesthetic topically first.
Okay.
Okay, so after about 20 minutes of that, it numbs it, and it's very, very well tolerated.
Okay.
No one's ever had a problem tolerating this procedure.
All right.
HydraFacial MD.
Yes, HydraFacial is one of the kind of advanced facials that are done, and it is wonderful because it cleanses the skin very deeply, cleans out pores, gets rid of clogged pores and any kind of blackheads, things like that. But then we also use a mild chemical peel with it, and then a hydrating agent, and we can customize what we do at the end, either with peptides or fine lines or whatever we're doing, depending on the person's skin issue, to try to make it look more beautiful. You have this done and you walk out, you don't know you've had any treatment done, so you have no redness, no discoloration, nothing, but the skin looks absolutely beautiful.
You've got kind of a bonus, and this is sort of
bonus add-on
nectar
to any of these treatments. The regenerating nectar is this one here on the side. It's called Elastin. Elastin is the newest skincare line we're carrying, and we cannot keep it on the shelves, honestly. This is the nectar. So with this treatment, we can actually pre-treat before any of the treatments we talked about. It's, here, Molly, let me just put it on your hand. It's a nectar.
Oh, it's like a gel.
So it's like a little gel. It absorbs very quickly. It's water-free, and that's why it doesn't hurt after even the ablative procedures where we're doing microneedling or we're doing the Erbium Pixel, where you have some injury to the skin. it actually soothes it, and the redness goes away more quickly because it's got wonderful antioxidants in there and anti-inflammatory medications. It's got what we call this trihex technology, which is a proprietary blend of 3 peptides, which really helps the skin look wonderful. So this is the one we use before and after treatments.
Okay.
And this is the one that we use long term to maintain skin. And if somebody's not having a treatment, this is just like a treatment on its own.
Okay.
I'll let you feel that one. And this is a moisturizer as well as that trihex technology with more antioxidants in it, so it's going to help with discoloration of the skin and all that, but it also has some plumping agents. So the skin is going to look plumper, great after fillers and things, because it really makes the skin look better right away. And everything
feels nice.
Yes, the first one even has a little bit of arnica in it, so healing is improved and quickened.
Okay, I want to say something because we went through a lot of different treatments and we said a lot of different skin issues. Here's the key to all of this is you can go in for a consultation.
Right,
you don't have to know which treatment to ask for. Just talk a little bit about what changes you'd like to see or improvements.
Right.
And your people are skilled at figuring out exactly what will help
Your
get you there.
Exactly.
Your people call her people.
And for young people, the microneedling starting early in age is great, wonderful for brides-to-be because it's going to help their skin look glowing and beautiful. And so you add on these products and you've got a home run.
That's awesome. Okay, mention the morning blend when you ask for these products because you can receive a 10% discount. That's for the elastin that we showed you that's super popular. And if you would like to purchase a treatment and buy elastin at the same time, you can actually save 15% on the product, which is fantastic. The Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa is located on Georgetown Drive. Their beautiful spa is in Pewaukee. Call for an appointment. That consultation that we mentioned, 262-746-9088, or go to wimedispa.com.
Thank you. And either follow us on Facebook or go online and sign up for our emails.
Your newsletters
because we have
are great.
something Fat Tuesday, special Mardi Gras events.
Coming up.
Go ahead and sign up and find out what's going on.
It's awesome.
Thanks,
Great to
Deb.
see you. Have a
Nice
great
to see you.
weekend.
Thank
Thank you.